Compat Ella interval mode is an advanced function and is used to deliver defined bolus of nutrition at specified intervals. The interval function must be activated by a qualified healthcare professional. Activate the interval mode by holding the program button for 5 seconds. The interval icon will first flash, then stay on. And lastly, the interval mode activated message will be shown. If activation of the interval mode is not possible, then use of the interval mode is not allowed and must be changed in the advanced settings. Once activated, press the program button to access and scroll through Set Rate, then again to Set Bolus, Set Interval and Set Total Volume. Pressing the program button again cycles back to Set Rate. Use the plus and minus buttons to define the rate at which the pump will run, from 1 to 600 millilitres per hour. Pressing the clear button will reset the value to default. Press the program button to advance to the Set Bolus screen. Use the plus and minus buttons to define the bolus of tube feed to be given multiple times, from 1 to 2000 millilitres. Pressing the clear button will reset the value to default. Press the program button to advance to the Set Interval screen. The interval is the time from the start of one bolus to the start of the next bolus, and is adjusted using the plus and minus buttons. The initial value is the minimum interval possible and is automatically calculated based on rate and bolus values. Pressing the clear button will reset the value to default, which is the minimum value possible. Press the program button again to advance to the Set Total Volume screen. The default setting is cont, which means the pump will run continuously until the nutrition container is empty. The minimum value is from one bolus up to 4000 millilitres and is set using the plus and minus buttons. The clear button will set the value to default. Rate, bolus, interval and total volume must be reviewed before starting any new feeding program. There is no need to save any programmed values, as all values are automatically saved by the pump, even after the pump is turned off. When the pump is turned back on, the last program values for rate, bolus, interval and total volume to be delivered are shown. Additionally, all historical feed volumes are also remembered, as well as any user settings.